In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Zendesk. We'll set up a simple, reliable automation using Zapier so that every new Zendesk ticket is captured as a row in your Google Sheet. This saves time, reduces manual copy-paste, and gives you a central place to analyze and share ticket data. First, head to Zapier and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, create one so you can follow along. Zapier is an automation platform that connects your favorite apps, and a zap is just an automated workflow with a trigger and an action. Create a new zap. For the trigger app, choose Zendesk. Select a trigger event, such as New Ticket. This tells Zapier to start the workflow whenever a new ticket is created in your Zendesk account. It's a great way to capture ticket details the moment they arrive, ensuring nothing gets missed. Next, choose Google Sheets as the action app and select Create Spreadsheet Row. This action will take the information from the Zendesk ticket and place it into your spreadsheet. Before you continue, make sure you have a Google Sheet ready with clear column headers, like Ticket ID, Subject, Status, and Requester. Having headers in place makes mapping fields a lot easier and keeps your data tidy and consistent. Now, authenticate both accounts. Zapier will prompt you to connect to Zendesk and to Google. For Zendesk, you'll grant Zapier permission to read your tickets so it can pull in the data. For Google, you'll allow access to your drive so Zapier can find your spreadsheet and add new rows. Use accounts with the right permissions to avoid connection errors. With both connections approved, map your fields. This is where you match Zendesk data to your Sheets columns. For example, map the ticket subject to your subject column, the ticket ID to your ticket ID column, and any other details you want to track, like priority or the requester's address. Keep an eye on formatting. Numbers and dates should map to appropriate columns, and long text fields should go into columns with enough space so nothing gets truncated. When everything looks good, turn on the zap. From that point forward, every new Zendesk ticket will automatically create a new row in your Google Sheet. If you ever update your spreadsheet structure, revisit the mapping to keep it aligned. That's it. Your integration is live, your data flows automatically, and your team has instant visibility into incoming tickets without manual effort.